Hey guys, welcome back to a day trader's vlog. So I just thought I'll just show you a day in the life of a day trader. So we have done a lot of vlogs, right? Live trading vlogs and all those type of videos also. So I thought I'll do this video more of activities, what I actually do and how my day goes on. So that a lot of beginners, if they are curious to know, how a life of a trader works, to know the reality, that's all. So first of all, I get up in the morning, I just keep an alarm. So where's my phone? So I keep an alarm around 9 o'clock and 9:15 so that I can wake up for the morning hours. So in case by chance if I get up, I will start and come here to my studio. Then I switch on my system and I will be front of the system. In case if I hit that dismiss and I close both the alarm, then I may get up automatically around 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. That depends on the situation. If I go for my gym workouts and if I'm tired, very much tired, I will not be able to get up much. So I will close my alarm. If I'm very fresh, I am not tired, so I will wake up around 9 o'clock, 9:15, max to max. By 9:30 I will reach here. Okay, then I will look into my system and I will search for a few stocks. I will see what's happening in the market and all that. So today I have few so before do that, see, I don't put t-shirts like this and do trading and all. See, this is smart trader t-shirt. I normally put my sleeveless and trade because I'm doing a video. I need to present it neatly, so I just change my t-shirt, that's it. So once that is done, once the trades are done, only my breakfast will start, because once my wife has to get up and then she has to prepare breakfast for me, that is when my breakfast will be done. So before to that, what happens is I keep scalping stock. So today already I started scalping. Now the time is around 10:29. The time is around 10:29 already. So in the morning I came here, I started scalping. So I already scalped in Hindustan Unilever around 2,625 rupees. Just one lot, I just took one lot and I just scalped around 0.3 percentage. I just entered market order and exited market order. Then IND Hotel, I actually, instead of this is the first one which I had to take, okay, the trade. So in the sleepy eyes, I just put a wrong number. This is futures, so the brokerage is comparatively less, so not a problem for me. And I also check my charts and everything here. So depending on that, depending on the situations, I will take advantage. If you see today Nifty also, it is like 0.03 levels, right? So that means it is still like a neutral zone, not showing any buy side or sell side. So I most of the time I use Heikenhashi, if you see here. And the market from the time it opened today, if you see, it is still in the same levels, right? It is not going any side. So I'm not getting major advantage. When market is sideways, it is very difficult because the movements are going to be so dry, we will not get much advantage. Also in between, when I get some ideas, when I look into the market, when I see something interesting, or if I can do a video on it, or suddenly I'll get an idea I should do a shorts on it, we can do some joke on it or some memes on it. So I write down here because later I'll forget, because there are so many things I'll forget. So I'll write it down here, so I will not forget. So whenever I have some free time, I'll just go through these things and then I'll be like, okay, I can do this content, I had to do this content, I saw some fishy things happening here, I need to research on it. So these are things worked for me, these things are the mistakes. So I write down certain things here, because when I go back, I'll get to know, okay, this date, this problem was there, or these things I had planned. I had got an idea in my mind to create a short video. And as I'm a YouTuber, I need contents, right? To create contents. And you tend to forget later part. So I write it down, what I felt like doing in the market, what I can do in the market and all that. So I write it down, and also to create my strategies, ideas, I write it down. So it is very good habit to write it down, because in my mobile I can type it out, but the feel what you get when you write and when you type is totally different, because we send SMS chats, everybody, we use chatting and typing. So that doesn't, it's like done and dusted. But when you write, it's like something, it's like the old school days when you used to learn. Okay, the feel is different, and psychologically also it impacts. So I write it down in my own hand, and things happens there, certain things what you want to do, you can write it down. So I felt this is effective for me than this one, because there are so many things in this Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook and all that. You keep scrolling, you don't look into your notes and all that. But here it is always good to write. So that is one habit which I have developed, which is helping me, because I tend to forget with lot of tasks. So as and when the trade is going on, what I do, I get up and walk, because I want to burn my belly fat. So it's a good habit to keep walking, because whole day I should be sitting there, It's not a good thing. Even in office I used to sit like that. So I sit and I just walk here. Okay, I have some space, so I keep walking like this. I normally play some music, okay, because of copyright I'm not playing right now. I listen to rap songs and all that, just for motivation. I listen to all these Hindi raps and all that. Example, Amy Divine, all this rap, and also few Kannada raps I will listen, and I listen to Brodavi songs and all these songs, and all happening songs, because uh, when you trade you need that josh and that energy, and you need to be a little bit calm and all that. So sad songs I will not listen during this time. All energy songs or calm songs in the morning time. This is my editing area, but anyways I will just show you when I edit. When I put this footage I have to edit in this only. So this is my editing area which I recently built. This is my old system, I'm not throwing it, I'm keeping it here. So this is my new iMac, and this is my old MacBook and all that. This is a poster which I just did. So first you learn, then you remove L from it. So this is a poster, I just stuck it there. And also considering I'm going to gym and all, and I want to become healthy, because wealth is not everything, health is also important. So I have enjoyed my life. I had every food, I keep drinking Coca-Cola, everything I do. So I've slowly turned to be a little bit health conscious, and I've reduced all the junk foods and all that. Yes, once in a while I just eat all these biryani burgers and all, but I try to eat most of the time salads and all that. And so I just tried, I closed all this cola and soda juices with fruit juices most of the time when I go out. But at home I feel like drinking some juice, so again I end up drinking some Sprite or Maaza and all that. So I thought, why to drink all that? So I stick on to this coconut water. Nowadays we get coconut water in this paper boat. I see 1 gram of sugar is there, added sugar, but in certain coconut bottle they say no sugar also, but fine, it is 1 gram only. And whatever the content is coconut water, it's an energy way. Rather than drinking some soda or something, I prefer drinking this. Meanwhile, let me look into some other stocks also, because once this is done I need to get some stocks also. Well, the time is around 10:42. Also, I'm hungry, so I'm waiting for my breakfast. I'll manage right now with this coconut water. And then one important thing is, when you sit in front of the system, you don't miss out opportunities. Earlier mistakes, what I used to do after taking a trade, I used to move out. And I used to forget looking into my mobile also. So that time I used to, miss out things. Yes, you can put a limit order and all that, but that greed is something which will not allow you to put that limit order, because certain spikes will give you a big amount. See, 0.3 I'll be planning to hit a 0.3, but as soon as you wait for 0.3 in a spike, it goes to 0.5, 0.7, and you get that extra money. So that's the reason I try to exit with a market order most of the time. If I'm really out and I can't exit, look in the stock and exit, then I put a limit order, so that when it goes to that level, it will automatically exit. And all these stocks are carry forward stocks. I'm just taking one lot here, carry forward stocks only, so that if we are not getting the target today, you can exit the next day also. So Hero MotoCorp, if you see here, morning after some correction, he is finally going up to the same level. So this is going to be the resistance point where it's going to break out. I can either scalp till this resistance point. So that's my idea. So as soon as it comes towards the resistance point, I can take some advantage. So I took an entry already here, and now he's trading around 804. So around 806 levels, there is a resistance. So I will try to, take some advantage within that level. So 801 is what I have taken. So 806, 807 is where the resistance zone is. So yes, he can break and go up, or he can continue touch and go down also. So I don't want to get stuck in any of these issues. So I will just exit with whatever profit I'll be making in that, because market is not that supportive today. It is too much of neutral market. So this is how the market is looking. If you see here, is going up and down, up and down, up and down, same level. So if I can mark this, let's say market is in almost the same zone here. is not able to break. Yes, if market is breaking, stocks will have a lot of advantage, but yes, all I need is money, so I will just scalp in these stocks. So my breakfast is ready. So this is called appam, and this is chicken curry, and this is the tea with jaggery. So I will finish my breakfast, and well, I have set limit orders and kept because I am going to take bath and get freshened up. So I will try to exit one of the stock. I'm done with it. One more stock, I'll just put a limit order, and I'll be back. I have to go out also. I have some works, so we will manage somehow. Okay, so Hero Motocorp, finally we have exited around 1965. So lucky me, so I just, you see, it got exited, so I'm back after my freshen up and getting bath and all that. So 2807.90 we exited, and see how lucky I am. So I told you this is the resistance point where it has come. In this spike it has given my profit and it has gone down again. So this is why I try to book sometime 0.3 and try to exit at 0.3. Even sometimes this limit order will not work because it will touch and it will not finish all the orders and it will go down. So I normally hit market order here just because I had gone to bath, so I cannot look into the market, or else I would have missed this opportunity, right? So I set my target and the target has finally hit, and lucky me, exactly at this point what we thought, that is this point, it has reversed again. So later it can go up or go down, doesn't matter because market is neutral. So I just scalped my money and we made around 1965 from that particular trade. So now I will be going out also. Chuma roam around, what else work do we have? So we'll roam around and come back. So I'm going out now to have some juice. This is my smart trader mask. So into my scooty, electric car. So I use this instead of my scooty. It is more safe in city rather than going in two-wheeler. It's electric car, so even the cost is very low to run. I've taken one more trade in ITC. So meanwhile we'll have a juice. So we'll order some fruit juice, and I will monitor my trades here from system. So once I go back, I will look into system. In case if I don't reach within market hours, then I will look into the mobile. So that's the reason we have Galaxy Fold. So finally back to the studio. ITC scalped around 1120 rupees in this. Okay, so it's lunch time now for us. So I will see if I am able to take more trades, and will try to finish my lunch, and then I have to go towards the gym. Okay, one more trade in MGL. So we made around 1770, again a scalp of 0.3. Around 3 rupees is what I just targeted on this. It was a quick scalp. So MGL also is done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost just 5 stocks has given us some decent profits, even though the market was sideways and little bit negative right now. So it's time for me to have my lunch. So I will go and have my lunch, and I'll have an eye on my system also. So I'll get my lunch here if possible, because till 3 o'clock I don't want to take chances and go and watch TV and get lost over there. So I'll finish my lunch, and I have my gym also, so I have to plan that. And after that I have to edit my video. So today I have to edit and post the video, so I'll try to go to the gym little bit early. Normally I go in the evening, 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, but today I'll go a little bit early because I have to come back and then again edit my video. I don't have an editor to edit and stuff, so I myself edit my video. I sit and trade there, and I edit my videos over here and upload the videos. So now is the gym time, so let's go. Okay, time for some health now. So health and wealth both has to be balanced. Even though I am lazy, I will try to manage to come to gym.
So this is the new club which they are starting. So this is the model of it. So finally, we are done with the gym. So I'm very much hungry. So I feel like eating everything in this world, but no. I will try to settle with a juice, and then that too without sugar. Then we have to edit the video and create the video for today's two best stocks for tomorrow. That I have to create today. So both I have to do. So finally I'm back to my studio. So now what I'll do, I'll just edit the video because like you know, in the night I have to post one more video of two best stocks also. So I'll try to quickly edit this video and update this. So this is more of my day. Every day I'll have a different task, more of trading and then roaming and eating and gymming and shopping, and sometimes I play also. So end of the day, I spend time on entertainment, watching TV shows, or I just go out roaming, and I spend more time with my family. So that was more about the day in a life of a day trader. So I scalp and I relax myself because there's too much pressure. It will be too much pressure to your head. So it's always good to relax. So exercise is one of the form. Even meditation is there. Once in a while I do, but that is a good habit if you can do it every time. So anyways, thank you so much and hope you guys liked it. If possible, we'll try to do one more day in a life of a day trader. So see you guys with one more learning video and a motivational video. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.